Hello everyone, welcome back. Is your Windows 11 PC filled with apps and features you don't need? In this video, I'll show you how to use FlyOOBE to easily remove unwanted built-in apps and bloatware from Windows 11. FlyOOBE is a Windows setup and customization tool that has evolved from Flyby 11. Along with Windows setup and OB customization, it includes useful tweaking and debloating options that let you clean up and customize Windows. The download link is available in the video description. Open the link, which will take you to the official FlyOOBE GitHub page. On the GitHub page, scroll down and, on the right side, select Releases. Here, you'll find the available versions of FlyOOBE. Select the latest version, then scroll down to the Assets section. Download the FlyOOBE zip file. Once the download is complete, extract the zip file. Open the extracted folder and double-click the FlyOOBE application to launch the program. Now you'll see the FlyOOBE interface with several customization options. For this video, we're focusing on the Apps and Bloatware section. Open this section and you'll see a list of built-in Windows apps that can be removed. Review the list carefully and select only the apps you don't need. For example, if you don't use a particular built-in app, you can select it for removal. Be careful when removing applications, because some Windows components may be useful or required by other features. Once you've selected the unwanted apps, use the available uninstall option to remove them. FlyOOBE can make it much easier to clean up Windows 11 without manually searching through different Windows settings or running multiple commands. And that's how you can use FlyOOBE to debloat Windows 11 and remove unwanted built-in applications. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows tips and tutorials.